Every VTuber has some sort of theme, whether it's obvious or subtle. It can be as simple as cute or sexy, or it can be complex like Demon Lord of the Flames or Mushroom Protector of the Forest. Mine is simply Cozy Bear. Now, how do you come across these theme ideas? Most people choose something they feel represents them, or something that they can connect with. For me, I love being cozy. Pajamas and blankies are my thing. As for the bear part, you would think it's my favorite animal, or maybe I like teddy bears a lot, but no, it's actually a really dumb reason. When I play Animal Crossing, I always wear the bear hood, because I think it's adorable. No matter the outfit, I am not at maximum cute unless I am wearing the bear hood. So I made my VTuber persona a bear. It's good to really nail down what you want at the start. People do change, so your preferences may change, but if you stick to something you've liked for years, you won't have to change it so soon. I've seen many VTubers change their model multiple times, even if they've become known for a certain thing and change to something completely different. Sometimes you can lose an audience this way, or if you change too much, it's hard to follow who you are, and people may unfollow by accident because suddenly they're following someone with a name and avatar they don't know. This is especially the case if you're playing a certain type of character, and you change to a different one. If your personality remains the same, you should not lose much of your audience, but if you change the way you act, you may push away whoever was there for your previous personality type. You don't have to choose anything complicated if you don't want to. You can simply choose a theme or design that's just you. So if you're intimidated by all the complex designs and ideas out there, don't be afraid to choose something plain. Your design may help with connecting to like-minded people, but it does not define you as a person nor your ability to entertain while you stream. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or pop in one of my streams. If you want to know what you should be thinking about and doing before choosing your VTuber design, check out some of my previous videos. I hope this helped you. Bye bye!